We're going to continue now with some more piano playing. We're going to be highlighting what I refer to as three-note chordal patterns. This is a fast way to get up and play the piano in my Take 5 segments here that give us an opportunity to use all the white notes in the piano, playing some pretty music, using stuff that we can be using much further in our more advanced techniques. And a lot of this material here will be supported by our improvisational topic, our chordal topic, our chord topic. You know, there's the three-note pattern topic within my studies. So within my curriculum that I teach, you'll be seeing a lot of this in material we're going to show you right now, taken much further. Okay, so right now, let's watch it. We're going to be looking at 4 three-note patterns, and you're going to be playing white notes in the right hand. You're going to be making music right away. You got to watch this. This is really great. It's very, very easy to do, providing you give it a little bit of time, and you'll be up and playing in a few minutes. Watch this. Okay, we're starting off here. First of all, we have the patterns C, G, C. And I'm using a sustain pedal here to kind of let those notes ring. Hold them down, it's nice. Then we have the F pattern. Okay, and we don't have to read any music here when applying ourselves here with this exercise. A, E, A, and then B, G, B. Okay? And when you're playing as you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, or rest, okay? 1, 2, 3, rest. And you could vary the order of those, okay? Let's start off with playing one note in the right hand. And remember, pay extra attention to, in the C pattern, the F is the void note. Do not play the F. You can play any other white note. The F one, the B is the void note. You don't want to play that, okay? Because it doesn't fit with this chord that we're playing in the left hand. We're playing a chord here, even though you're looking at it as, we're calling it a three-note pattern right now. It's a chord, okay? Then we have the A, E, A. You're avoiding the F note within the C white notes, okay? Just avoid it, okay? Don't lean on that. And then we have the B, G, B. And we're going to avoid the C, okay? So let's go through now playing one note against each of these patterns. Watch this. Nice, and you can vary the order, play the A1, back to the B1, to the A1, to the C1, to the F1, to the A1, back to the F1, to the B1. See, by varying the order, you can make some real pretty music here, okay? And I don't have to hold these, I'm not holding them down, I can let the pedal let the ringing. So I'm holding down with the sustain pedal, okay? Acoustic pianos, you'll be pedal all the way to the right. Electric pianos will be an attachment for a foot pedal here, okay? That will let these notes ring. Now, the next level will be taking one note here, 1, 2, 3, and on the rest you're playing another note. Nice? So I'm varying the order. By varying the order of those patterns, those 4 patterns, you can make some beautiful music and really experiment with what certain notes are going to sound better against the pattern than others in the right hand on those white notes. So through experimenting there, you'll really be able to find those. Now we're going to go on to level 2, which is using some options of the left hand shape, okay? Again, applied to specific chords. This will be much more, go further in depth and be a highlight of my method that we'll be learning the full function of these things. But right now, I'm just trying to give you some quick ways to get up and going, you know, to really start enjoying the piano right away. Okay, here we go. Now, we have the option here. We have the C, F, A, and B. And when you see G/B, that's the technical way to write that B pattern, okay? It's actually a G chord with a B in the bass. So the first option we have here is the C, G, B. See how the F1 we have this, and the A1 we have this. See, and then the G1, the BG we don't have one. Okay, we'll keep the same one. Okay, and then the next option spreads them out a little bit. Let's try this option here, this first option. Here we go. Isn't that nice? Now, the next option will be the largest spread for the C one. And the hand, using the sustain pedal, will let those notes ring. And then the next chord, you use the pedal. Pedal comes up when you play the F, and back down. See how it shuts it off? And the pedal goes up and back down. Lets them ring, and up and back down. Here we go. One note, and then you can play the next bar. You can play 2 notes, then 1 note. Isn't that a great sounding music right there? Okay, you really want to give it some time, getting comfortable with it before you move on to the various options in the left hand, and enjoy this wonderful entry beginning piano focus we got right here. Again, it'll be further supported with my content in my method. Enjoy it.